My name is Mokshi Jain. I am a BCA Second year student of pt.ddumc Management College. As we all know, we are going through critical pandemic crisis due to which we are not allowed to leave our homes. In this situation, I would like to thank my college management who don't want our education to suffer, so they are providing us online classes from 9 to 2:40 pm. Even if we face any of the problem in any subject, we can also ask them even after 2:40 pm. So I would like to thank my college staff, director, HOD who have taken such a great initiative for us, and they are also providing us handwritten notes, assignments with the deadline so that we complete them at time. And as a responsible citizen, I would like to say, please do follow all the precautions that have been issued by the government of India. Thank you.